how to recover deleted responses of Google Forms. So if you want to recover deleted responses of Google Forms, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your browser. After opening your Google Chrome browser, now you need to go with the right side, which has that Google Apps option. Once you're here, you need to just scroll down a bit and then you will find a Forms section. You need to just simply go with Forms. Once you're on your Google Forms, now here you will have your form, right? So you need to just simply go and select any form that you are comfortable with. I'll just simply go with this one. And then you will have the responses section, which will be on the top. Once you click on the responses, you need to go with the 3 dots, which will be on the right side. And then you will have an option of select destination for responses. And here you will have an option of create a new spreadsheet. So like, for example, if you've deleted your spreadsheet, then you will be able to create a new spreadsheet. Or you can also select your existing spreadsheet, but if it is deleted, then you can go with a new option, which is create a new spreadsheet. And your responses will be generated again. So go with create, which will be in the top right. And now go with view in sheets. And you will have all of your responses right here. So in my case, I don't have a single response yet. But if you have any responses, or if you have to update your responses, then you will be able to use this option. It's just good for you. That's how you can recover your deleted responses of your Google Forms. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.